Good morning, everyone. Today is a beautiful sunny day and it's also a holiday here. And so I thought this week we can try a different kind of video that I've never done before. And today I want to share with you a what I eat in a day video. You've probably seen these around, they're quite popular. And today I'm gonna do a treat myself version. So today I'm gonna, indulge. I'm gonna have the best time eating because, I just like to reward myself sometimes through food. And also with COVID, I have realized that food is an easy way to make my day special because obviously when you're not allowed to go anywhere, it's very, very hard to kind of distinguish the days. They all feel the same, whether I'm working or I'm not. I have been in my apartment for pretty much a year, and it's just nice to make you feel a little bit different for a day. So that's what I'm planning to do today. And we will start off with the breakfast. Then I will also show you what I eat for lunch. I'll have, I think, a little bit of a dessert in the afternoon. And tonight I wanna get myself some sushi because I actually have a Zoom call planned with some of my best friends. It's gonna be so much fun. So if you wanna see what I eat today, then keep on watching. So here's my breakfast now. In Germany, we usually have these kind of like bread buns. I don't know what you call them. This one is with pumpkin seeds and this one is just ciabatta. No, that one back there. And that's just a very traditional like Sunday breakfast in Germany. This one has cheese with garlic and it's very delicious. This one is a vegetarian salami, which is really, really good. I really enjoy that. And this one back there, I've been trying to think of the word. I think you say chestnuts, like the edible ones. And this is a kind of sugary cream made of that. I think it is French or Belgian or something like that. But yeah, that's one of my very guilty pleasures because it is so delicious. I could eat it every single day. And so that's what I eat. And I have some vitamins that I need. And I also like to have a glass of juice. Now I always fill the juice up until here and the rest is just tap water because otherwise it's too sweet for me. So yeah, that's my breakfast. That's my breakfast buddy. So for lunch, I'm gonna have some warmed up pizza buns I made yesterday. These are vegetarian. They have mushrooms and bell pepper on them. And yeah, I'm very excited to eat those. I think I'm gonna go outside because the weather is very lovely. And then I'm just gonna enjoy some lunch. Now I think it's a good time to order some food, and I usually know what I get, so let's see what we'll have today. So one thing that I usually get is the tempura salmon roll, and then I also like the spicy tuna. Then I like these salmon and avocado maki. And I do like the plain avocado nigiri and then the eel, grilled eel nigiri as well. I think I will get one more thing. I think the pumpkin maki or the ones with the omelette. I'm gonna go with pumpkin. So that should be enough for me when I'm alone. So we have some tempura salmon roll, spicy tuna roll, the plain salmon avocado roll, the avocado nigiri, the eel nigiri, and the pumpkin maki. So it's afternoon now, so I got myself a bit of a dessert. This is the milkshake that I shared with you, I think in my last video. And if you think this is not a dessert, this is one whole banana and ice cream and milk. So definitely a dessert. So my dinner just arrived. We have the avocado and salmon maki, the pumpkin ones, the eel, the avocado nigiri, and then in this one we have the spicy tuna and the tempura salmon. So very excited. So for my dinner I got this as a gift. This is some kind of prosecco, and I'm a little bit worried about opening this because it looks like it's not just to twist. So I thought, you can see me fail here. Oh, well, that didn't work. To move, it's not easy. Wow. Okay, it is to twist. Yeah, it's just pretending. Oh, lucky me. Okay. So yeah, I'll have this later when I Skype with my friends and enjoy the sushi. So I'm a little bit nervous. It's always so fun to see your friends, and yeah, I don't know. We all live quite far apart, so I guess this is good. This is good. Okay, you guys, my day is coming to a close. I hope you enjoyed seeing all the things that I ate and drank today, and a little bit of cat footage as well. I had a lovely, lovely day. It was really nice, and I'm glad that I had this day off, and tomorrow I'll go back to work as usual. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!